everybody, it's me, Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. Today's video, I am going to be showing you what I received in my November 2018 Knit Crate. Now, if you are subscribed to Knit Crate, you know that this month things were a little late. That's just because they were changing warehouses and changing the way they do things, so just trying to get everything reorganized. So the crates were a little late this month. But next month, they've reassured everyone that it will be right on time and on track, and hopefully next month will go a lot smoother. So I'm going to show you the colorway I got in my Knit Crate this month, and I absolutely love it. I'm super excited about it. But first, you guys know I'm going to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all the likes and the comments. I love reading your guys' comments. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really do appreciate it. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. And there are always links in the description below. You can always check all those out. There's quite a few you can check out. There will be a Knit Crate link, and my coupon code is Nervous20. If you want to check it out, you can save 20% on your first month with Knit Crate. Back to this, I'm going to open this and you guys are going to see the color I got. Like I said, I absolutely love it because it is so pretty, and I've seen a lot of people online and even on my Facebook page, they wanted this color but they didn't receive it. So I'm going to show you. It's really pretty, you guys. It is the purple colorway. Can you see this? Let me just take them both out here. We're going to go over the patterns too. I'm going to tell you about that. But this is the color I got. It is the purple colorway. It looks purple to me. They're calling it, the colorway is called roses, which when I look at this, I guess they have purple roses, but I don't think of roses when I look at this. It's more of a purple, like gradients of purple, which is just so pretty. And it is 70% super wash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. And it is a worsted weight. So it is a worsted weight this month. You get 219 yards per skein. Let's see. You can machine wash in cold and tumble. I cannot talk today. Tumble dry on low. So it is machine washable. What is up with me? But you get 2 skeins, and if you guys know me, let me know in the comments below, what do you think I'm going to make with this yarn? If you know me well enough, you guys should be able to answer this question. What do you think I'm going to make with this? Let me know in the comments below. Now, to the patterns. Knit Crate started this new thing with their patterns. A few months ago, it was just like a little postcard you would get with digital download links to download your patterns. And you would get 1 crochet pattern and 1 knit pattern. That's if you got the Knit Crate membership. That's what this is, the Knit Crate membership. And now they've changed it to where you actually get the Knit Crate membership patterns and the Sock Crate patterns as well. So those are both in here for the Knit Crate membership. That's a lot to say. Wow. Okay, when you open your book, it's very pretty too. It's a very pretty purple color. It kind of matches the colorway that I got this month. And it is the theme. Ooh, that's a theme peek. The theme for this month is, I know it's on here. Where is it? There's the theme. Glitz and glam. That's the theme this month, glitz and glam. All that glitters is golden. And it has a table of contents right here when you open up. It also has where you can digitally download the patterns if you want to. That's still an option here on the front page. And then you open it up and it just tells about where they drew their inspiration for the colorways. And it shows all the different colorways this month. And you can get, there's 4 different colorways this month. There usually is when you get the Knit Crate membership. There's like a bluish color, a brownish like golden color, a purple color, and then a more purplish color. If that makes any sense. You guys, click the link down below to Knit Crate and you guys can see the different color options they have. That's probably the easiest way to explain it. But what you're going to be getting is you get a crochet pattern. I don't know if you can see that well. You get a crochet pattern and it has it all written out here in the book as well. So it is nice that they're all written out for you. And then you can get the knit pattern, which is right here. And the knit pattern, I think, is a bonus this month because you can either do fingerless mittens, you can do a cowl, or a hat. And there's 3 different patterns for, you know, you can do the hat, the cowl, or the fingerless mittens. So it's kind of like a bonus with the knit patterns this month because there's like 3 different patterns. So that's kind of nice, and it's all written out, which I absolutely love. And then, because they changed it up and you get the sock crate pattern as well, this is the sock crate pattern this month. It's right here. And now there was a problem with this pattern. They had to send it back to the designer so she could rewrite the pattern. There was a mistake in the pattern. We know how that goes. We've all been there. So it should be available for digital download on, like I said, in the front cover it gives you the option for digital downloads. So it should be available now by now. So that is the sock, can you guys see that? The lighting. The sock crate pattern. And now if you ordered the artisan crate, you would get the patterns involved included with the artisan crate, and you would also get the sock artisan crate patterns as well. So those are some things to check out if you want to check them out. That is what I got in my knit crate for November 2018. If you want to order a knit crate this month, do it as soon as possible. You have until November 30th and you'll still receive the November crate. So you have the option, or you have the opportunity, the chance that you might get the purple color. You might get the amber color, the bluish color, the deeper, darker, purplish color. Check out the link below. Check out the different colorways that you could receive. You don't get to choose the color you get. You just kind of get it. So I'm really super happy that I got this color. But check out the link below. Don't forget, you can use my coupon code NERVOUS20. It'll save you 20% on your first month, which is always nice. And you can cancel anytime. They ship worldwide. So it's really nice. There's no extra cost for shipping no matter where you live. And alright guys, that's going to be my video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. And check out those links in the description below. So much going on. My knit crate link is down there. Coupon code, don't forget. I have Facebook, Instagram. I have a private Facebook group. I have patterns on Ravelry. You can check those out. They are on sale right now. For a few more days. So if you're watching this in the future, they're probably not on sale anymore, but they are on sale right now for 50% off using the coupon code XMSTime50. That will be down in the description as well. And yeah, so that's going to be it for today, you guys. I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye.